Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa for those of you who are new, and I make new videos every week. And this week I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this winter makeup look. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with my face already moisturized. I don't have any primer, but we're going to start off with the Stila Stay All Day foundation. And I purchased this at TJ Maxx actually. TJ Maxx is really good about having really good prices on some of their well-known makeup that you can find at Ulta or Sephora for a discounted price, and it's just as good. This is in the color Beige. So I tried it this past weekend and it actually stayed the entire time. I usually have an issue with foundation coming off or getting too shiny, especially around my nose area. It's really shiny after a while. My skin tends to be really dry, but as soon as I put moisturizer on it, it'll like automatically kickstart like the oils and I'll be super shiny by the end of the night. But I did not have an issue with this foundation at all. So it's kind of weird because it comes kind of in this little push tube. So you push on the bottom here, and then I don't know if you guys can tell, but it kind of just pushes up the foundation into this little kind of little pond at the center of the thing. But I like it because I take my sponge here and then I basically just press it on here and then dab it on my face. Got done with the foundation, and as you guys can see, it kind of gives it this sort of dewy kind of finish, but I promise it'll matte as soon as you put your powder on top. So now moving on to the concealer, I'm just going to do a really light base because the foundation is pretty full coverage and it's pretty buildable as well. So I did a nice kind of even coat, and I'm just going to do a little bit of concealer using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Moving on to the setting powder, I use NYX HD finishing powder in the color Banana. Okay guys, and like always, I look crazy right now, I know. We're gonna go ahead and follow it up with some contour from Lisa Frank and Glamour Dolls collection. It is in the color Bitten and Bronzed. Alright, now that I'm all nice and bronzed up and looking even crazier now, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. Then for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the NYX Brow Kit in the color Dark Brown. Next up, we are going to take the Karity matte palette, which you guys have seen this in many videos previously, and it's a really good palette. It's got a bunch of nice primary colors. We are going to use this color over here, and we're just going to take a nice big fluffy brush and put that on the outermost part of our eye. And now taking a lower lash brush, we're going to take that same color right along the bottom waterline. Now that we have our eyeshadow done, we are going to go ahead and move on to the bottom waterline that we are going to highlight and make pop and nice and wintry with this really pretty NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Cashmere. And it's a really pretty gold color. Now that we are done with the bottom lashes, we're moving up to the top eyeliner, which we are going to use the Ciate London Liquid Black eyeliner. Alright, and I'm going to try to do this on camera for you guys. So I've got my handy dandy little mirror here, and we're going to try to do this on camera because I always go off camera for this because I make some crazy faces. I can't do it. Alright, this is not working on camera. I've got to go and like pull up my face. I'll be right back. Okay, eyeliner done. Now we're moving on to mascara before we put on our fake lashes. For mascara, we're going to use the Lancome Hypnose Drama Excessive Black Noir. To give that finishing frostbitten look, we're going to use LA Color Shimmering Loose Eyeshadow in the color Snow White. And I'm going to apply this right in the inner tear duct. So right here in this little corner, we're going to go ahead and apply this using a little brush. One of the last finishing touches, we are going to apply some fake lashes. We are using the Ardell Studio Effects lashes. Okay, eyelashes are on, and now we're going to go ahead and dust off the rest of our face from the setting powder. And of course, no winter glam look would be complete without a little bit of highlighter. So we're using the Freematic highlighter from Doucce, the color Solstice. For the cheekbones, I always like to use one of my fingers just because I feel like it spreads on a little bit easier. And to finish off this entire look, I know I look a little crazy here, but we're going to finish off the lips, I promise. We're using the BareMinerals in the color Smooch. So that completes this winter makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is a very nice kind of glam, but you can obviously dress it down with a cute little winter beanie and a nice little sweater, or you can do it for any winter formal event that you might have going on this season. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss whenever I post new videos. I post every Sunday and Wednesday now. I'm uploading 2 times a week. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments which part of this look is your favorite, whether it's the eyes, the lips, all of the highlighter we've got going on. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.